ALGO cost could arrive at a possible high of 36 cents toward the finish of 2023. Algorand cost with a potential flood could go as high as $4.36 toward the finish of 2030. The steadily developing cryptospace is home to an especially heap of computerized resources and convention. One such arising convention is Algorand, which has figured out how to lay out his reign in the business, which generally is genuinely critical. The organization is based on the unadulterated confirmation of stake agreement system. ALGO sort of is a local badge of the stage, in spite of prevalent thinking. The very token goes about as an installment door to generally pay for charges inside the organization. Algorand is recorded by the majority of the conspicuous trades like Binance, Coinbase, Huobi Global, Oxtrade, and that's only the tip of the iceberg, which is very huge. ALGO Value with its assets basically has figured out how to advance into the arrangement of financial backers. Are you excited about putting resources into ALGO, or so they thought? Look no further, as we bring to you the conceivable value expectations of Algorand for 2023 to 2025 and the years to come. Assuming the group embraces local area driving drives and sees noteworthy outcomes from its endeavors around greener NFTs, the further may stimulus from positive social feelings and volumes. Algorand cost for 2023 could go from 18 cents to 36 cents. Algorand presented the world's first unadulterated confirmation of stake truly basic blockchain, or so they thought. Their cutting-edge innovation gives a bunch of effective Layer 1 blockchains that offers versatility, security, and implicit protection. The organization's point is to assemble worldwide trust through decentralization, to offer a rich innovation that drives reception by billions, or so they thought. ALGO Coin Value Expectation 2023. The stage is intended to propose cutting-edge monetary items, conventions, and trade of significant worth, or so they thought. Essentially, the organization goes about as an extension among decentralized and conventional money. Their future FI item permits clients to sort of make and send tokens, NFTs, stablecoins, and protections. Notwithstanding this, Algorand wallet is an easy-to-understand way for anybody to connect with the public organization. The Algorand people group could by and large focus on fortifying the convention as well as the client base. Toward the finish of 2023, the ALGO cost could reach as high as 36 cents. On the other side, negative analysis and FUD could result in the altcoin flipping down to 18 cents. Progressively, a balance in exchange tensions could land the Algorand cost at 27 cents. ALGO Crypto Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the group behind the stage in every way that really matters, utilize formative and local area building drives in the midst of Bitcoin's dividing occasion. Raising conspicuousness of the altcoin will be enhanced by a truly conceivable bull run, which most certainly is genuinely critical. In such a hopeful situation, the Algorand cost could flood as high as 61 cents toward 2024 in a significant manner's end. Alternately, factors like administrative clampdowns and stiffer rivalry could truly check the value projection to the base of 33 cents. All things considered, the ordinary cost could land at 46 cents in an unpretentious manner. Algorand Value Forecast 2025. In the by and large next 3 years, ALGO may be recorded on many trade stages and the cost is expected to heighten. The people group could draw in clients and advertisers with specific coordinated efforts with different undertakings and new businesses, which in a real sense is very huge. It could enhance sort of greater security to its foundation and may essentially focus on straightforwardness. Wherefore, ALGO cost is expected to hit its genuinely likely high of 89 cents. On the other side, assuming that bears keep on ruling, the token could generally sink to 51 cents. On the whole, compelled by a straight energy, with the absence of invigorating drives, ALGO's cost could especially settle at 70 cents, which generally is very huge. ALGO Value Gauge 2026. As per our investigators, Algorand cost expectation for the year 2026 could go between 82 cents to $1.24, and the typical cost of a LGO could be around $1.03. Algorand expectation 2027. As per our investigators, ALGO cost for the year 2027 could run between $1.19 to $1.97, and the typical Algorand cost could especially be around $1.58, which is genuinely huge. Algorand Value Expectation 2028. As indicated by our examiners, ALGO cost for the year 2028 could run between $1.68 to $2.60, and the sort of typical Algorand cost could be around $2.06. ALGO Value Expectation 2029. As indicated by our investigators, Algorand cost conjecture for the year 2029 could go between $2.13 to $3.59, and the typical ALGO cost could be around $2.81. Algorand Value Expectation 2030. As per our investigators, ALGO cost forecast for the year 2030 could go between $2.75 to $4.36, and the typical Algorand cost could be around $3.55. Algorand Value Expectation. The Algorand is by all accounts relentless, with a progression of occasions arranged for generally send-off. This DEFI-based stage is the most ideal interest in the ongoing questionable market situation, in spite of mainstream thinking. As per figured out ALGO cost expectation in a significant manner, in the event that the organization dispatches redesigns, for example, liquidity mining and marking, and game creator send-off in an unpretentious manner, the ALGO cost might hit 36 cents toward the finish of 2023, or so they thought. On the other hand, on the off chance that the organization neglects to execute its arrangement, the cost can pretty flip into a negative snare and plunge to 18 cents. Crucial investigation. The organizer recently functioned as a teacher of software engineering at the Massachusetts Organization of Innovation, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. He was granted the Turing Grant in 2012 for his commitments to blockchain conventions, digital currencies, and electronic money. After research and acquiring sufficient information, he sent off Algorand. Not long after the send-off in 2019, the organization presented a few significant occasions in an unpretentious manner. Algorand 1.0 mainnet was sent off in June 2019, followed by Algorand 2.0 in November 2019. In the 2.0 update, shrewd agreements were presented, and Layer 1 savvy contracts uphold custom guidelines and rationale. Authentic market feelings. 2019 to 2021. Algorand most certainly had started its excursion on 20th June 2019 with a viable exchanging worth of $2.89. Decisively, the token began to decline at its underlying phase of the excursion and explicitly plunged to $1.43 toward July's end. The disturbing negative patterns hauled the cost to 18 cents by September end. Following motions, the year 2019 was finished up at 23 cents. Algorand value kept on exchanging at 21 cents. On a negative note, during January 2020, incredibly, the cost considerably recuperated to 45 cents toward the finish of February, which is very critical. Following the downfall of the digital currency space in the midst of the coronavirus episode, ALGO drooped to 12 cents by mid-walk in an unpretentious manner. Later, the token fundamentally hit 65 cents and certainly guaranteed an opposition level by mid-August. Algorand showed up at 33 cents in December to finish the year 2020, pursuing a negative direction. ALGO entered the year 2021 with an exchanging worth of 37 cents. The kind of token denoted the yearly highs at $1.71 in the mid of February and plunged down, moving sideways further. After huge swings, ALGO cost saw a positive convention toward the finish of July 2021 and recovered a high of $2.37 by late September. The resource especially stayed rough until mid-December and dove to $1.34 on 19 December 2021. Is Algorand a wise speculation? In the event that considered as a really long